This speech will cover the life of the endangered African elephant and its unique adaptations. Standing at 13 feet tall with giant ears shaped like the continent of Africa, weighing nearly 10,000 pounds, the African elephant has been the largest mammal to walk the earth for over 55 million years. For this massive creature to still thrive on planet Earth, it was forced to undergo significant adaptations, such as the large body size and features, socialization, and reproduction habits. Over the past decades, African elephants have been mostly restricted to parks and preserves due to the poaching for ivory and habitat damage. We will first discuss the lifestyle of elephants, next explore the unique adaptations of their structure, then overview the life cycle, and finally understand the importance of putting an end to poaching. Slide 3. Here you can see the two different types of African elephant, the African savanna elephant and the African forest elephant. As you can see, the savanna elephant is larger in size, and based on its name, it's no surprise that they spend most of their time living in the open, dry woodlands. The forest elephant has smaller, rounder ears and shorter and more downward-pointing tusks. According to Global Safari of 2007, this is thought to be an adaptive response to the need to move through thick vegetation in the dense tropical rainforest they dwell in. Slide 4 gives an overview of the lifestyle of African elephants. The herd is made up entirely of related females called cows and their calves. The oldest female, referred to as the matriarch, sets the pace for the herd and leads their activities. Usually at around 13, the bulls abandon the herd and join a bachelor group. National Geographic Society of 1996 notes that elephants roam over great distances while foraging for the large quantities of food that they require to sustain their massive bodies. They can consume up to nearly double the weight of an average American, 300 pounds of grasses, fruits, and a variety of other vegetation, all in a single day. Slide 5 begins to describe some of the unique adaptations of the African elephant. It's a well-known fact elephants' tusks are made up of ivory, allowing them to be strong. The main purpose of tusks is for defense, or to battle another bull when searching for a mate. They also use them as an aid for eating when chipping away bark or to dig for food and water. Slide 6 highlights the elephant's trunk, the most interesting morphological feature, extending 7 feet from its head and weighing 400 pounds. It is the most sensitive body part, and it is used as a tool for eating, drinking, bathing, and protection. The trunk can hold up to 4 liters of water and lift up to 1,500 pounds. A common misunderstanding is elephants drink entirely through their trunk like a straw, when in reality they use it to deliver food and water into their mouth. According to Elephant Information Repository of 2001, at the first hint of danger, the elephant will raise its trunk slightly to smell any reason for threat. If an elephant is charging with its trunk up, it's usually bluffing. If its trunk is down, it usually means business. Slide 7 covers another unique feature, their ears. Mackenzie of 2001 states that the hot blood in the arteries is cooled as it is filtered through the vast network of capillaries and veins. Therefore, it is common to see an elephant running with its head face down, extending its ears out, allowing the air to cool off the hot arteries. Elephants have infrared abilities that allow them to communicate and hear warnings up to 100 square kilometers. They use this adaptation to send and receive warnings about other dangers. Slide 8 highlights the African elephant's life cycle. The Elephant Information Repository of 2001 states the following. Elephants do not confine mating to a specific time of the year. She will begin reproducing as a young adult and continue on for 30 years. The female will carry her baby for nearly 2 years and will deliver a calf weighing 200 pounds standing 3 feet tall. After the male finishes his sexual activity, he joins the bachelor herd again. The average lifespan of an adult African elephant is 70 years. Elephant Voices of 2010 cited the following. Between 1979 and 1989, elephants' population fell from approximately 1.3 million individuals to an estimated 609,000. Convention on International Trade in Endangered Species banned international ivory sales, stabilizing the number decline in 1990. People slaughter illegally for two primary things: money for their ivory and revenge for their destroyed gardens. In conclusion, most of the unique adaptations that have occurred over the past million years have been driven by their large size, social interactions, and harsh environment that they live and thrive in. Their life cycle and strong family bonds are extremely similar to that of human beings, and they are important animals in various cultures. Elephant poaching still remains a problem in some regions of Africa, and it is up to us to continue to protect this endangered species.